Changing your Apple ID without losing data.
Hello, fellow tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to be discussing a topic that has come up time and time again: how to change your Apple ID without losing any data. This process can feel daunting to some, but don't worry. We're here to guide you through each step, ensuring a smooth transition to your new Apple ID.
What is an Apple ID?
Let's start by understanding what an Apple ID is. An Apple ID is essentially your personal key to access all Apple services. This includes iTunes, App Store, iCloud, and your personal iOS devices. In a nutshell, your Apple ID holds your personal settings, preferences, and important data.
Can you change your Apple ID without losing data?
The answer is yes. You can definitely change your Apple ID without losing any data. Your apps, music, movies, TV shows, books, and iCloud data will all remain safe when you change your Apple ID. However, it's crucial that you follow the proper steps to ensure this.
How do you change your Apple ID without losing data?
Here's a step-by-step guide to change your Apple ID without losing any data. 1. Back up your data. Before you make any changes, it's always smart to back up your data. You can do this via iCloud or your computer. 2. Sign out of your current Apple ID. On your device, go to Settings greater than your name, scroll down, and tap Sign Out. You'll need to enter your Apple ID password and tap Turn Off. 3. Change your Apple ID. Head over to appleid.apple.com, sign in, and click Edit in the Account section. Now, you can change your Apple ID to the new email address you want to use. 4. Sign back in with your new Apple ID. Once you've changed your Apple ID, sign back into your device using the new Apple ID. All your data should still be there, as it's tied to your device, not your Apple ID. Remember, your purchases are tied to your old Apple ID, so if you want to update or download past purchases, you'll need to sign in with your old Apple ID. And that's it. Changing your Apple ID doesn't have to mean losing your data. Just follow these steps, and you should be in the clear. We hope you found this guide helpful, and as always, feel free to reach out with any further questions or queries. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.